Hi, greetings. Welcome back to the Drummond channel. It's been a little while since I posted anything. What I've been reading about and seeing a lot is gold, and gold this, gold that, and gold's performed very well. And is it time for it to exhaust maybe and have a PL dot refresh on maybe a monthly or quarterly basis? So let's dig into that. All right, let's start with yearly on the left and the quarterly on the right. And what do you see right away is we see that we're way up here in the top of the zone structure on both time frames. Quarterly's in the farther out resistance area. So this is a market that's extended way up to the top of what we call the matrix, and that is the zone structure. So way at the top of zone 6. We can see the yearly PL dot is still moving up strongly, and the quarterly PL dot is still moving up strongly. And if we create a main channel line, we can see that this quarterly PL dot is pulled up a little bit high off the main channel line. So that is another indication that this move might be long and might be ready for a correction. And also this is a 5-year chart here. 5-year PL dots moving up, pushing higher. So I don't think gold's run is done, but it's gotten, again, overextended, and what we see is a PL dot push and a PL dot refresh, and this might be setting up for a PL dot refresh. What time frame? Well, we'll have to monitor the lower time periods to figure that out. So now we're over here on the monthly chart on the left, and we're using the Holy Grail software here, and you can see it's in the oncoming area. It's just above the oncoming area. You can see on the weekly chart that held on close. So that might be our weekly exhaust. And now we're looking at daily congestion. So for next week's PL dot is going to be about 2970. So that's our target for next week for this move down. And we're going to see how this area holds. And should we get into weekly congestion, then we're going to start pushing down, and then we're going to start looking at monthly PL dot, monthly live PL dot area. Congestion entrance on the daily chart is the first sign that the weekly exhausted. It looks like a weekly exhaust setup as the bar was well up above the oncoming, then closed back down within the oncoming range. So we're expecting lower prices in gold, and we're going to see how it reacts to the weekly PL dot. And should the weekly PL dot give way and start pushing down, then the monthly PL dot, and then, well, you know the drill. Then we start looking at quarterly and yearly support areas. So again, I think gold is set up for a correction, and we won't see prices above here anymore for a while until we get down and get some new PL dot energy pushing up. And as we saw on the yearly chart, let me go back to that. As we saw on the yearly chart, at the yearly PL dot is breaking out and pushing up, and the 5-year PL dot is pushing up. So the bull run in gold does not appear to be done, but the interim, I guess on a shorter time period, weekly time period, yeah, I think we're setting up for a weekly PL dot refresh or lower. That's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. Put them in the comment section. I'll do my best to answer them, and we'll see you again next time.